Hi, my name's Anna and I'm here to take you through your essential gear for a road cycling holiday in Scotland. We offer two types of bikes in our road cycling trips. We offer a lightweight road bike with drop handlebars, and we also offer a touring bike with flat handlebars and a more upright riding position. Our bike fleets are replaced every 2 years, so they're in great condition, and our guides will set up your bike for you individually at the start of your trip. All our bikes come with a bike computer, a saddlebag containing a spare inner tube and tyre levers, an optional handlebar bag, and a helmet and a water bottle. For the pedals, we offer SPD touring types, flat pedals or flats with toe clips. On your upper body, we recommend you wear a base layer t-shirt or a cycling jersey, and on a chilly day we recommend you add a long sleeve base layer. Materials that work well are wool such as icebreaker or a synthetic material such as capilene. We also recommend a lightweight fleece or gilet and a waterproof and windproof jacket. On your lower body, we recommend you wear padded cycling shorts plus overshorts if you prefer. It depends how happy you are with the whole lycra thing. We also recommend leggings or leg warmers for riding on cooler days and a lightweight pair of waterproof trousers. For your feet, we recommend bike shoes or hiking trainers coupled with bike socks or another wool-based outdoor sock. If you're prone to cold feet, another option is neoprene overshoes to give you an extra warm layer. For your head and your hands, there are some must-have items. For your head, a bike helmet. If you're going to bring your own, you must check it's in good condition. For your hands, gloves are an essential item. In Scotland, we tend to prefer full-fingered gloves most of the time, but there are fingerless options as well. To protect your eyes, you'll either need transparent glasses or sunglasses. We'll share a full gear list on our website, including where to buy them. Hope to see you on the road soon.